Hi, my name is Nick Berardi, founder of Nick Education. Thanks for stopping by. I'd like to tell you about myself, the website, and why it's important to you. Years ago when I worked in a salon, I had a thriving clientele, I had a great income, but I wanted more. So I gave it all up and went to work for Vidal Sassoons in New York City. Actually, I started as an assistant, sweeping floors. And then it took me years to work my way up to the position of New York Senior Creative Director. Then I started getting booked on national television and teaching events all around the world. My path to success was inspiring, but it was also really time-consuming and a definite drastic lifestyle change. But yours doesn't have to be. My mission was to create a website to provide an easier, more affordable path to education. So I brought together the best educators, myself included, who have the ability to break down haircuts, color, and styles with amazing presentation skills, and they explain all the techniques in full detail. We film all the seminars in high definition, and we light them properly. There's no music or voiceovers, and each seminar is broken down into sections so it's easy to navigate from one technique to another. And this helps you learn faster and remember more. It's like having a front row seat at your favorite seminar that costs hundreds of dollars. It's also important to keep in mind, like any professional trade, you need to do your homework. There's no shortcuts or magic bullet. You need to take the time to learn and practice. Remember, education is the key to your success, so enjoy the journey.